So we went home to get Lotus, and now we are going to another nature trail walk. We're in High Point right now?
Yeah.
Yep, in High Point.
That dog named Lotus, you know it's Lotus. Her name is Lotus, it's Lotus. It's Lotus. That dog named Lotus, you know it's Lotus. Her name is Lotus, it's Lotus. It's Lotus. Her name is Lotus, it's Lotus. It's Lotus.
Lotus, just make sure you don't get your leash caught on things that might hurt.
Why is the beach and you're here, dude?
Lotus. Hey, Lotus. Lotus. Come here, puppy. Lotus. There you are. Do you like the nature, huh? At least she knows to follow a path. Lotus ain't stupid.
Yeah.
I got another spot I want to take.
I love nature, dude. I really do. And it gives me more content for my videos.
Baby, can we go to the third spot I want to go to?
You guys are still barefoot?
Yeah. I'm a baby, dude. I was born in the wrong generation.
You know, I felt the same for a while. That's why I now, you know, got into the dreadlocks and shit. Like, I don't know, I just feel like nature is the way to go and be like all peaceful and... No drinking the water. Especially not in the puddles. Moving water, okay. But puddled water, no. What you smelling? What you smelling with your sniffer? Huh? Oh, this rock? You're smelling the rock? Smoke more weed, stop smoking rocks.
Got kills.
You smelling all the new smells?
You ever notice that whenever you put a fish in a tank, it moves all the rocks?
Yeah.
No. Nesting?
That's how they make themselves comfortable.
That's like a human.
Lotus.
It's literally their coping mechanism.
Lotus. Will you look at me when I ask you to? Huh? Yep. She just dragged her leash right through the water.
Oh.
You knocked it over.
Yeah, I'm just moving it.
I come over here, she goes back over there. Notice, come here. Can you make it? Come here, come on. Come on. Oh, you found the way around, you smart ass. You smart ass. Go ahead, go. Sit, wait, Lotus, sit. Ah, wait, right there, sit, come on, oh, come on, I'm trying to get a thumbnail. Come on, Lotus, come on. Come on, right there. Lotus, sit. Wait, sit. Now that your leash is hanging in the water. Lotus, sit. Lotus, sit. Lotus, sit. Come on. Oh, I know. You just want to explore. You don't care about my thumbnail. Oh, you want to get over by her, huh? You're trying to figure out how to do that. Is that what you're trying to do? Go ahead, go. Go ahead, Lotus. Can you jump that? This way, Lotus, this way. Right here. This way, go ahead. Come on. Lotus, this way. Lotus, jump it. Go, jump, go. I wanted her to try it. Oh, she followed me. You found a dog leash? Whoa. That's for a puppy.
Not just one. Two of them.
Two of them?
Yeah, there was another one down there.
Oh, wow.
Makes you wonder what happened to that man in his pussy.
Right. Lotus, come explore with me. Lotus, come explore with me. Oh, oh. That was a thorn that got her. Lotus, come here. Come here, girl. Are you okay? Come on. It's okay. Come. It's okay. Come here. I want to make sure you're okay with the thorns. Come here. Up here. Come here. Where did it get you? Are you okay? Or I hope that was just your leash. Come here. Are you okay? Oh, you're a little wet and sandy. Okay, good. Okay. It just caught her leash. Thank God. Oh, it's all mossy. Look at that. Look at that. Lotus, you want to go in there? Lotus, want to go exploring? You want to go in there? Do you? Are you stuck? Come on. No, you don't want to go exploring? Maybe another time. What are you doing, dog? Oh, are you kidding me? Oh, hell no. Lotus just tried to rub that all on herself. You just tried to roll around in a pile of literally. Yeah, you better run. She missed it, thank God. She smelt it and flopped down like, oh yeah, I want that all over my body. That sign was warning us of poison ivy. Lotus, I hope you're not running through poison ivy, girl. Lotus. Come on. Lotus. Come. Now that I know, I gotta make sure that you're not sniffing through some stupid I don't know if dogs can get poison ivy, but I'm sure she could transfer it to humans. Like when I pet her.
I'm definitely sure that you can get it from the dog. I don't think they can get it.
Because you know the pollen is what it is and they have fur.
Yeah.
But that's when we pet them. Notice, come on. No. I'm hoping she didn't get poison ivy during this. So, Lotus, come on, please. Come on, get in the car. No, inside. Lotus, no. We're back here. Lotus, on this side of me. Thank you. I don't see no spray. Oh, kinda. On trees, I get. Oh, what are you doing? No, Lotus. I really don't see spray painted markings. He said he spray painted a path out. Maybe, I don't know. Everything's overgrown. I don't see pathways. I'm just walking. Spider web. What? I do not see a pathway, Brandon. That's overgrown. I'm not about to walk it. Alright, I guess we do gotta go this way. I guess I'm just gonna create my own path. You know what? I'm not even gonna hold her leash. Come on, Lotus. I just hope there's no poison ivy. Is that what these are? 3 leaves. Shit. Shit. Tell me this isn't poison ivy, please. Looks like I'm gonna shower when I get home. That's what I was afraid of. That's why I wanted a path, because I didn't want to have to walk through poison ivy. Well, there's kind of a pathway here. You see that? Notice it's kind of blocking it. Looks like this was the pathway, but does it go in this way? Oh, I don't know. I just don't want to get poison ivy or ticks or lost. Nah, I won't get lost. Even if I come out on the other end, it's just a little walk to get back to where I'm at. Notice you leading the way. Do you know where we're going, pups? Huh? Do you know where we're going? Because I don't know. There is a fence. Apparently, that's... Ow! Not you, Lotus. You're fine. I'm in pricker bushes. This way, Lotus. Balancing act. This is about 1.5 feet off the ground. Oh, maybe not. Ah! Yep, there's a fence. Right there. Y'all can't see it, but it's there. Ooh, I'm already getting itchy. Maybe that was poison ivy. Lotus! Lotus, come on, girl. Don't get lost. Lotus, where are we? I don't think we're in Kansas anymore, Lotus. Do I go this way or keep going this way? The fence was in this direction, way back that way. So apparently, we are not by the fence. Oh, we crossed property lines, maybe. I don't know. There's no trespassing sign. This way, Lotus, come on. Nope, this is a dead end. Hold on, Lotus. Nope, back this way. Back this way, Lotus. Come on, that was a dead end. Up over, up and over. Come on, up and over. Good girl. Hello. Where are we, Lotus? I don't know. Well, it seems like we walked a good distance and we should have been there by now. So I think I'm going to try to pull a 180 about face type. Come on, Lotus, let's go back this way. Ow! Hope I don't get no ticks. Hope Lotus doesn't get any ticks. You having fun, girl? Go, 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 go. Go! Where you going? You know what? Wait. Come here. Hold on. Let me take your leash off you so you don't get tangled. Okay, so you don't get caught. Go! Oops. I bumped a button on my phone. Wow, she's got so energetic. She does that. All of a sudden, she'll spurt into action. Like, pow! Like, yep. Lotus, did you find the way back? Did you find our way back? You are such a good girl. I think you did. I think you did. I can't see though. I don't know. I don't remember this. But go ahead. Go forward. Come on. Come on, puppers. Let's do this. We got this. Come on. Let's find our way home. Go home. Home? Bring me home? Come on, girl. Let's go this way. See where the hell we're at. Oh. Is that a cornfield? Huh? Let's do this. Come on. Come on. Ow! Fucking low branch on my head. Holy hell. I don't know how well you can see this in the camera because I can't see shit. Oh my God, this is so beautiful. Notice, come. Come on. Don't be afraid. It's okay. Come on. Come on. Let's do this. I just don't want to ruin any corn. I'm trying to walk in the rows, but he who walks behind the rows. I wonder what this would look like at night. Oh my God, you see me gleaming? I don't know where this is leading out, but I'm pretty sure it's only like next door. Go! Go! Lotus, go! Go! Tongue hanging out and everything. Alright, come on this way, Lotus. I don't want to get in trouble for you running through somebody's crops. Good girl, you having fun? Huh?
Yeah, don't hold your breath, Lotus.